Hi friends! Today we are talking about how you can enable appointment slots in your Clinare website.
Here you can see that there is no appointment slots available for Dr. Thomas. First, log in to your Clinare dashboard. Go to the job page. Click Add New Job. Here you can enter doctor consultation time. Select your dates. This is the average appointment duration for one patient. Yep, that's it. Clinare created appointment slots for selected dates. Now check your website. You can see that appointment slots are created for selected dates. Now your patients can book through these slots. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.